What's poppin', everybody? Welcome to another video, another trade recap, another day. I'm going to tell y'all exactly how I made 734. Wait, I'm trying to pull up the screenshot right quick. $734 times my two accounts, and why I low-key fumbled the bag on this day. I ain't gonna lie, but we did a lot of things right, and I'm gonna talk about it. I want today to be a lesson from, if you were in the group, if you've seen the live call, you already know, but I want to talk to you guys about this as well. So yes, let's restart. Let's, get rid of everything on the chart right quick. And I'm gonna show you. Today I did take one trade, one win, and that was it actually. We took one win today, so let's get into it. Coming into the day, overall on the higher time frame, I was bullish because, we were rebalancing into this hourly. I expected, honestly, everything today we called out to a T, which was honestly beautiful. I wanted to see ES put in an SMT with London low because ES was a lot closer than NQ was, and as y'all can see, that is what we ended up doing. ES put in an SMT, ended up swiping London low, and then from there, I really was just waiting. Now, somebody in our group, one of my other trusted analysis, named Anthony, he ended up taking a short in this situation on ES to London low. To me, it didn't align with what I wanted to see. He was done way before us, like he was in and out, but it didn't align with my bias, so I did not take it. I wanted to see overall higher. I'm overall still bullish. We're still holding the hourly. We're still holding the 4 hour. So to me, it's like I still want to see price come higher. I'm not gonna short when I want to see price go higher. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient. And yeah, I'm gonna wait for my setup to come. So I waited. I wanted to see this hourly hold at first. It was looking like we were gonna run it. However, we did end up holding consequent encroachment of this hourly wick, which is exactly what I said in the live. I wanted to see that be held, and exactly what we did. We took London low, swept it out, put it in SMT, held it. From there, I said the reason I was bullish. Yeah, the reason I was bullish, by the way, just holding the hourly. Overall higher time frame is still bullish. We are still delivering to the upside overall, and we did end up rebalancing to constant encroachment of this range into the discounted fair value gap. We were respecting this perfectly. And then from there, I just waited. I wanted to see some type of imbalance be opened up, and that's exactly what we got right here. Once we close above this 3 minute, this is where I went long at, and y'all can obviously see we had a little bit of drawdown, a little bit of a fear factor, but price did end up reversing. And I'll turn my executions on right quick. I will show y'all what I went wrong with. I ended up trailing my stop loss because I'm like, I gotta get ready to go to class. I did pyramid on this. I pyramided once we got this recovery, and price closed above this 3 minute here. So once we got this recovery, I was like, all right, I'm comfortable. I added on 2 more contracts. I traded micros because I wasn't comfortable with the full risk of a full mini. It was like $1,200. I don't want to do that. So I traded micros instead. I initially entered with 5 micros. I added 2 more once we got to this initial displacement with this recovery, and I trailed my stop to this low. So initially, my risk to reward on this trade was, initially, let me see where my fill was at. So initially, my risk to reward was, stop was down here, initial target was here, and I was intending to see continuation to standard deviation if it was available. But my main target was right here. I was going to take off 90% regardless. Now, once we got to this pyramid, my fill ended up getting adjusted to right here, and I then trailed my stop to this low. Or no, I didn't actually. I traded it even tighter actually. I then trailed my stop to, I trailed my stop to this low because it was beneath the 1 minute fair value gap that we had just put in. I did not want to see price revisit that. So this was my actual risk to reward. I was in with 7 contracts. And as y'all can see, I was supposed to make this much. I closed at 734. I showed y'all, so I did end up giving back an extra $600 because I was slightly impatient. I was being very cautious here, and it really is tragic because I did get stopped on it like by the tick. I'm gonna show y'all right quick. Like I literally, price wicked me out. I trailed my stop once we got this displacement above the 5 second. I trailed it to this low, and we literally got wicked out in 1 second, and price ended up running to my price target, which is tragic. But I didn't want to see us reverse because we did end up holding consequent encroachment. We're respecting the 2 minute imbalance, and this is a higher time frame SMT. And just based off of how I have been trading recently and how price action has been treating me, I did not want to see this reverse. I would have been very hurt. So I decided to just take what I had, and I closed all right there. Am I mad at that? A little bit. The extra couple dollars would have been nice, but we are still following our rules, following our system, and trusting ourselves. So I'm honestly still completely happy with today. Very happy with how patient we were. You know, we seen the member in the group, like I said earlier, Ant caught this short right here. I said it looked good. I just ended up not taking it. You see, we tapped the 5 minute, respected it, got the 5 minute change in the state. You know, internal manipulation with the SMT. A plus setup. It just didn't align with what I wanted to see. I let it go by. He caught it. I think a couple other people did as well. But I didn't let that get to my head. It did not let that affect, you know, me trying to force a trade. I was still patient. And I even told them, like, yo, if I don't get anything by this time, I'm just going to get off. Like, but today was a prime example of just staying patient and waiting for what you want to see happen, because if you are patient, the market will pay you. Patience always pays. Patience always prevails in this market. So today was a prime example of that. We were very patient, slightly impatient on this take profit. But like I'm still in drawdown on the month, so I'm just trying to get out of that, and I'm trying to just be patient or just take what I can get. But overall, pretty happy with today though. I think that we managed it well, and we did everything that, you know, we were supposed to. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. As y'all can see, price is running, but you live and you learn though. Not mad at it. I'm on Traderify straight to funded 150K accounts right now, and they are at, what's the balance on them? I'll document like all of them until I get a payout with them. They're at about $151,700 for both of them. So in order to be eligible for a payout, you do need to make $159,000 with a 20% consistency. So we're on the way. Hopefully we can do that probably by the end of this month. But I'll document it all. I'll show y'all. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one though. I want to say with those, it is a $3,000 payout cap. So we obviously gonna shoot for that 3,000 times 2 accounts. But we'll see though, God willing. That'll definitely help us get back on the month. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Y'all have a blessed rest of y'all day. Thank you for watching. Hope you can learn. Because literally, one more thing, I did low call out today to a tick. I said we're gonna sweep London low on ES, put an SMT, and we're gonna hold consequent encroachment, get this 3-minute inversion. I called it all out. Come join the Discord. Come learn with me. Come join up, and because you could have been in this with me. So yeah, but I'm gonna catch you on the next one though. I got to get ready to go, and yeah, so have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.